Now nitro compounds. Compounds obtained by replacing hydrogen atom of alkane by nitro group are called nitro compounds. The general representation is RNO2 and molecular formula is CnH2n plus 1 NO2. Now molecular formula is CnH2n plus 1 NO2. Nitro compound exists in two tautomeric form or two isomeric form, NO2 like this, which is called nitro form or pseudo acid form, and another form is isonitro form or SE form. It is also called as nitronic acid. Now what do you mean by tautomer? Now tautomer means there is a shift of double bond and shift of hydrogen. Double bond will come here and one of the hydrogen from here will shift here. So when there is shift of double bond and hydrogen, the two isomers obtained are called tautomers of each other. Aldehyde and ketone also exhibit tautomerism. Now these are the nitro compounds which also exhibit tautomerism. So what are nitro compound? A compound obtained by replacing hydrogen atom of alkane by nitro group are called nitroalkanes. Their general representation is RNO2 and their molecular formula is CnH2n plus 1 NO2. Nitroalkane exists in two tautomeric form, nitro form and isonitro form. This is called pseudo acid form and this is called acid form. Acid form is also called as nitronic acid. Now this is all important in MCQs. They can ask you all these questions. Okay. Now you all can copy down this from the videos which I'll send you. I'm not giving you time to copy, otherwise it will waste a lot of time. Now nomenclature. Nitroalkanes, we have to write only IUPAC nomenclature. Now this is called nitromethane. This is called nitroethane. Now this is 1-nitropropane. Nitro group is on the first carbon, so 1-nitropropane. Now here the nitro group is on the second carbon, so this compound is called 2-nitropropane. This is nitrobenzene. Okay, so is it clear up till here? Only IUPAC names you have to give: nitromethane, nitroethane, 1-nitropropane, 2-nitropropane, and the last one is nitrobenzene. Okay, so only IUPAC nomenclatures you have to give for nitroalkane, no common nomenclature. NO2 group is a nitro group. Okay, now we'll do MCQs only for the nomenclature part. This question number are the numbers from your sheet which I have given you. So in first there are 4 or 5 parts, and the first part is introduction to nitrogen containing compound. In that fourth question, now you can write in your notebook question numbers and write the answer, so that you'll, when you do the remaining questions, you will understand what is the questions. You all have to do it on your own. So this is C3H9N represents primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, or all of this. Come on, give me answer. Yes. C3H9N represents which amine? Primary, secondary, tertiary, or all of this? C. Answers are wrong. Rishabh is correct. Rest everybody is wrong. Okay. Answer is all of this. Now C3 means there are 3 carbon. So we can write primary amine, 1 propane, 1 amine, propane, 2 amine. We can also write secondary amine, ethyl methyl amine. We can also write tertiary amine, trimethylamine. So we can represent primary, secondary and tertiary amine using this molecular formula. All 3 are isomers of each other. Can anybody tell me what type of isomers are primary, secondary and tertiary amine of each other? Whether they are chain isomer or position isomer or any other isomers. What type of isomers they are? Come on, tell me what type of isomers are primary, secondary and tertiary amine. They have same molecular formula. Position isomers, then wrong. Come on, any other answer? Chain isomer, Shadav, wrong. Come on, any other? Structural, wrong. Rishabh, functional, very good. Rishabh is correct. They all are functional isomers of each other. Primary amine, the functional group is amino group. Secondary amine, the functional group is called imine. And tertiary amine, tertiary nitrogen atom is a functional group. So keep in mind, this is very important. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines have same molecular formula but different functional group. Primary amine have a functional group amino group, NH2. Secondary amine, NH is called imine. And tertiary amine, the functional group is called tertiary nitrogen atom. Okay, so they are functional isomers of each other. Note it down. This is question number 4 from the sheet which I have sent you all. Now question number 5 from the sheet. What is this compound name? Name this compound. Diacetone, acetonamine, diacetoneamine or aminoacetone. What is the name of this compound? Bashar. Okay. Now most of you all may not get this question because we haven't done. This is there in aldehydes and ketones. Now see, I'll explain all the entire answer. The answer is actually it should be diacetoneamine. Huh? This is wrong. Answer is diacetoneamine. Answer is C. Now see, the reaction goes like that. You have to take 2 acetone molecules. You remove hydrogen from this. Okay. And we'll get a condensed compound out here. Such one. Come on, can anybody give me IUPAC name for this compound? IUPAC name for this compound. Come on, try out IUPAC name for this compound. It is very important compound. The common name of this compound is mesitile oxide. That also we will be learning in aldehydes and ketone. It is called mesitile oxide. But I want IUPAC name for this. No one. 4-methyl pen 3-in-2-1. Rishabh, very good. Okay. Only your mistake is that E will not come. En khali aayega. En E nahi aayega. Huh? You're correct. Okay. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-methyl pent 3-in-2-on. 4-methyl pent 3-in. यहाँ पे E नहीं आएगा. And 2-on. Rest it was correct, Rishabh. Okay. Now, see, it is also called mesitile oxide. Now, when you add amines to this NH2, NH, ammonia to it, the addition will go according to Markovnikov's rule. So now, where will NH2 go and where will H go? थर्ड कार्बन और फोर्थ कार्बन पे कौन से कार्बन पे NH2 ग्रुप जाएगा? थर्ड पे जाएगा कि फोर्थ पे जाएगा? NH2 कहाँ जाएगा? It will go on third or it will go on fourth? Answer is fourth, Aisha, correct. It will follow Markovnikov's rule. The addition takes place to the carbon atom having least number of hydrogen. Okay, so NH2 will go on fourth. Now, what will be IUPAC name of this compound? What is IUPAC name of this compound? Yeah, try, come on. No one. Come on, Shadab. 2 amino, 2 methyl, 4 methyl, 4 amine, 4 amino, 4 methyl, pen, 2. This is correct. Aisha and Om are correct, but pentane, ANE आएगा यहाँ पे. पेंट के बाद ANE है ना. 4 अमीनो पहले आएगा. 4 अमीनो, 4 मिथाइल, पेंटेन. ENE था ना, तो ENE निकल गया, अभी डबल बॉन्ड हट गया, तो AN आएगा. पेंटेन 2 ओन. ओके. मृणाली, ओम, आयशा, शादाब wrong. Okay. 4 amino, 4 methyl, 4 amino, 4 methyl, pentane 2 on. Is it clear? और इसको कॉमनली बोलते हैं डाईएसीटोन अमाइन. तो ये डाईएसीटोन अमाइन इसका आंसर है. तो याद रखो, पहले 2 एसीटोन कंडेंस होंगे और फिर अमोनिया ऐड होता है, तो वी गेट दिस कंपाउंड. ओके, सो इट इज नॉट एसीटोन अमाइन, बट आंसर इज डाईएसीटोन अमाइन. आंसर इज सी. और ये 5th क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द शीट. Okay, now we'll do the next one. 8th question from the sheet. Allyl isocyanide has how many sigma bond, how many pi bond, and how many non-bonding electron if present? How many sigma, how many pi, and how many non-bonding electron? Allyl, पहले allyl, फिर isocyanide. Allyl isocyanide. काउंट करो. allyl isocyanide का स्ट्रक्चर लिखो. How many sigma, how many pi, and if there are any non-bonding electrons? Answer is D, correct. Okay. Anybody else? Rishabh is saying D. Amruta, D, correct. Okay. See. आंसर इज डी। अभी जिसको नहीं मालूम है, अलाइल आइसोसाइनाइड, CH2 डबल बॉन्ड, CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड, CH2 देन NC। अभी देखो यहाँ पे दो हाइड्रोजन के दो बॉन्ड, ओके, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 है ना, and 9 sigma bonds. Here only CH will come, here CH2 will not come. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4 bonds na, so here only CH will come. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 9, 9 sigma bonds, 1 2 and 3 pi bonds, and there is one lone pair of electron on nitrogen, so 2 non-bonding electrons, 9 sigma, 3 pi and 2 non-bonding electrons. Okay, here the coordinate bond is formed by donating electrons from carbon to nitrogen. कार्बन की वैलेंसी 4 है ना, तो दो ही बॉन्ड हुए, तो एक और लोन पेयर कार्बन डोनेट करता है नाइट्रोजन को आइसोसाइनाइड में, तो दो लोन पेयर नाइट्रोजन के रह जाते हैं खाली. ओके, so 2 non-bonding electrons. This is allyl isocyanide. 8th question from the sheet which I have given. Triaminobenzene is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine or quaternary salt. Non-bonding electron मतलब lone pair. So one lone pair means 2 electrons. Okay, non-bonding electron means lone pair present, not involved in bond formation. Lone pairs are non-bonding electrons. So one lone pair means 2 electrons. Come on, triaminobenzene is a secondary amine, tertiary amine, primary amine or quaternary salt. Secondary, Aisha incorrect. Answer is C, Mavish, Shadab correct. Amino means NH2 group. Okay, amino means NH2 group. This nitro group is wrong. Triamino matlab 3 amino group. Triaminobenzene. Don't write this. Triaminobenzene. It can be 1 2 3. It can be anything. But 3 amino groups. 3 amino matlab NH2 groups. NH2 matlab amino. Amino means primary. Imine means secondary and tertiary nitrogen. Did not get. No, this NO2 is not there. It is a wrong structure. Triaminobenzene, only 3 NH2 group you have to consider. Bas. Okay, Shadab? 3 NH2 group on benzene ring. NO2 is not there. Wrong that is. Okay. So this is triaminobenzene, only 3 NH2 group on benzene ring. NH2 matlab primary amine. Okay. Now, which of the following is a not a nitro derivative? Which of this compound is not a nitro derivative? Is not a nitro alkane, nitro derivative? This one is a 12th question from the sheet. Answer is D. No. Answer is B. ONO is a nitride group. ONO and NO2. They are two different functional group. Now this is NO2. This is NO2 group. Tautomeric form. है ना? ये भी NO2 है. ये भी NO2 है. So they are all nitro alkanes or nitro derivative of alkanes. But this ONO is a nitride group. So answer is B. ONO is a nitrite derivative. मैंने बोला था NO2 और ONO है ना एक तरह के एम्बीडेंटेड लिगेंड्स है. हम लोग करेंगे एम्बीडेंटेड लिगेंड. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. जैसे साइनाइड आइसोसाइनाइड, साइनाइड CN होता है और आइसोसाइनाइड NC होता है, तो अलग कंपाउंड हो जाता है. NO2 एंड ONO वो दोनों एक दूसरे के आइसोमरिक फॉर्म है. नाइट्रो एंड नाइट्राइट. ओके, नाइट्रो एंड नाइट्राइट. अभी देखो ये OH मतलब क्या होगा यहाँ पे, पैरा नाइट्रोफिनॉल, ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनॉल. बेंजीन रिंग पे एक OH है और एक NO2 ग्रुप है. सो इट कुड बी ऑर्थो, पैरा और मेटा नाइट्रोफिनॉल. ओके, सो D1 इज नाइट्रोफिनॉल, बट ये नाइट्रो ग्रुप है उसमें. एंड B वाले में ONO ग्रुप है. ONO इज एन नाइट्राइट डेरिवेटिव. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन. 12th question from the sheet है ना. 15th one, number of isomeric primary amines obtained from this C4H11N में से कितने प्राइमरी अमाइंस बना सकते हो? Fifteenth question, yeah, answer is 6. Rishabh, only primary amines we have to make. Answer is B, correct, Jishan. What about rest? You all got it or no? Mavish, correct. Answer is only 4 primary amines we can make. N-butylamine, sec-butylamine. So this is isobutylamine. Sec-butylamine and tert-butylamine. The structures are not very clear, but I'll tell you. N-butyl, sec-butyl, isobutyl and tert-butyl amines. So we can make 4 primary amines. फिर हम इसमें secondary amines कितने बना सकते हैं और tertiary amines? Come on, anybody can tell me how many secondary amines are possible? C4H11N से कितने secondary amines बना सकते हो? बशर आज रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा है, सो गया क्या? Come on, how many secondary amines we can make? Only 2. Come on, others. We can make confused, sir. Okay. Okay, 5. No, Rishabh. Answer is 3. 3 secondary amines we can make. Okay. 4 कार्बन है ना, तो 3 कार्बन एक तरफ रखो, एक सामने ले लो. मिथाइल एंड प्रोपाइल. फिर प्रोपाइल को ब्रांच कर सकते हैं, तो मिथाइल सेक प्रोपाइल और डाई इथाइल अमाइन. मतलब वी कैन मेक 3 अमाइंस यूजिंग 4 कार्बन. मिथाइल एंड प्रोपाइल, मिथाइल सेक प्रोपाइल एंड डाई इथाइल अमाइन. ओके, अभी कितने टर्शियरी अमाइन बना सकते हैं? कैन एनीबडी टेल मी हाउ मेनी टर्शियरी अमाइंस यू कैन मेक आउट ऑफ दिस? मैविश 5 टर्शियरी, अमृता 2, जेन 1. ओके, 3 अगेन. शादाब नो. 3 अमाइन कौन से बताओ, नाम बताओ. 6 अमाइन ऋषभ कहां से लेकर आ गया इतने सारे? आंसर इज ओनली 1. इथाइल डाइमिथाइल. एक तरफ इथाइल रखना है और 2 मिथाइल. 4 ही कार्बन है तुम्हारे पास. एक तरफ इथाइल, नाइट्रोजन के आजू बाजू में एक तरफ इथाइल और दो तरफ मिथाइल मिथाइल. So ethyl dimethylamine, only one we can make. ओके तो अगर ये 4 कार्बन से प्राइमरी पूछा तो 4, सेकेंडरी पूछा तो 3 और टर्शियरी अमाइन पूछा तो सिर्फ एक ही बनेगा. नाइट्रोजन के तीनों तरफ अल्काइल ग्रुप लगाने हैं तो एक तरफ 2 कार्बन और एक एक कार्बन. ओके सो इथाइल डाइमिथाइल अमाइन सिर्फ एक ही बनेगा. I hope it is clear up till here. ओके अभी नाइट्रो कंपाउंड्स के मेथड्स